products that I love the most were my lips are dying. It's all dry. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be talking about my first impressions on the newly released Kylie Jenner lip glosses. I'll also be talking about the products that I got on my Boxycharm'S February box. I'll be letting you know which products I loved, which ones I did not. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you did like the video, and let's do this thing, shall we? A good sponge, definitely. I'll be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer.
She got the brown eyes, caramel thighs, long hair, no wedding ring. Hey, I saw you looking from across the way, and now I really wanna know your name. She got the white dress, but when she's wearing less, man, you know that she drives me crazy.
And now let's use this concealer foundation.
Her hips, curves, lips say the words. Te amo, mommy, I kiss her. This love is like a dream. So join me in this bed that I'm in. Push up on me and sweat, darling. So I'm gonna put my time in. I won't stop until the angels sing. Jump in that water, be free. Come that he really wants to know my name. Hey, I saw you looking from across the way, and suddenly I'm glad I came. Ay, ven para acá, quiero bailar, toma mi mano. Quiero sentir tu cuerpo en mí, estás temblando. Green eyes, taking your time, and I will know we'll never be the same. I love his lips, cause he says the words. Te amo mami, te amo mami. Don't wake up, this love is like a dream. So join me in this bed, the iron, push up on me and sweat, darling. So I'm gonna put my time in line. I won't stop until the angels sing. Jump in that water, be free. Come south of the border with me. Jump in that water, be free. Come south of the border with me. Flawless diamonds in a green field, Buenos Aires until the sun's rising. We won't stop until the angels sing. Jump in that water, be free. Come south of the border with me. Jump in that water, be free. Come south of the border with me.
You never live till you risk your life. You wanna shine, you gotta get more eyes. Am I your lover or I'm just your vice? A little crazy, but I'm just your type. You want the lips and the curves, need the whips and the furs and the diamonds I prefer. In my closet, his and hers. Ayy, he want the little mamacita margarita. I think the egg got a little jungle fever. Ayy, you want more than something boring. Legs up and tongue out, Michael Jordan.
Okay, so this is the final look. The products that I loved the most were of course the palette and the brushes. Yes, I love them. What I didn't like about the sponges was that they were like too dry and too like strong to the touch. You see, I did wet the one that I used for my foundation, so I did apply the liquid formula of my foundation well enough. I do like the one for foundation. I don't like much the one for powder, and this one I didn't use it that much. So like the lip stain, I didn't like it. It was like too dry on my lips, and it's red. I don't like it much, but that's what it is. The powder, it's too dry for my skin type. I have dry skin. Sometimes this combination depends on the season of the year, and doesn't work for me. This product here is from my January Boxycharm subscription box, and I do like it. It gives you like a nice and soft glowing kind of look. And Kylie lip glosses, I do love them. My first time trying them, and I love their formula. As soon as I put this one on my lips, this one is the Wish Come True. As soon as I put this one on my lips, it changed like everything. It changed the look, it changed the, you know, like, now I can do this and it's not like sticky or anything. So I do love this formula. I do recommend these glosses, and well, that's everything, guys, for today. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, girl. Give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.